Today we're going to be fishing with that Depths 175. Going to be tossing around some super clear water. See if we can find us a bass on it. Oh my gosh. Dude. Dude, he smoked it topwater through the grass. Oh, look at that one, boys. There we go. Let's go. Football. Look at that, y'all. Smoked the Depths topwater. There she goes. Look, just chilling.